Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can find all downloaded files on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files. When you find it, click on it. It should be in Samsung folder. Now click on Downloads category under Videos. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Tap on the best option for you and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!